Hi, in this video we are going to see the very good news to the PG as well as the UG candidates, because for both these two candidates here the opportunities are there from one of the central government institute. Okay, so for only PG, if you are a fresher, no problem, whatever the departments or the subjects I am going to show you, you can earn up to 25,000 rupees per month. And here whatever the different vacancies are there for the undergraduation, post-graduation, freshers and experienced candidates, the range of the salaries are from 20,000 rupees to the 40,000 rupees per month. Fine. So after watching this video, please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UG NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UG NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video and the links also I kept, so please check down those. The present content of the video, it is National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology. So this notification released on 14th July 2021, and here the interview will be commenced through video conferencing for the following positions purely on the temporary contract basis for various projects. So NIELIT Chennai is looking for bright and result oriented persons for various selections. The following positions are available purely on temporary contract basis on consolidated emolument initially for a period of 1 year or co-terminus with the project whichever is earlier. Qualification, experience, remuneration, age limit, everything you can check down here. The first post is resource person data science. The essential qualifications are BE or BTech or ME or MTech in computer science or IT, or MSc computer science or IT, MCA, NIELT B level or higher with at least 1 year of experience in teaching or research in data science domain. Age limit is 40 years and number of vacancies 2, and the salary is 22,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. And the desirable knowledge also given here, so you may check down guys. Resource person information technology, essential BE or BTech, CSIT or MCA or MSc, CS or IT, age limit 40 years. Even though if you are a fresher, then no problem. Okay, MCA or MSc fresher, then also no problem, you can apply. The total 3 vacancies are there. Remuneration is 22 to 25,000 rupees per month. And coming to the resource person electronics, BE or BTech, ECE, EEE, EIE or MSc electronics, age limit is 40 years, 1 vacancy is there, 22 to 25,000 rupees per month. And coming to the resource person cloud computing, essential qualifications, BE or BTech or MSc or MCA in computer science or IT, ECE with 2 years experience in cloud computing infrastructure or strong knowledge in Linux server, Red Hat and Debian platform administration, or else BE or BTech or MSc or MCA in computer science or IT or ECE with PG diploma in cloud computing with 40 years of, age limit is 40 years, 1 vacancy is there, 22 to 25,000 rupees per month will get. And coming to the next one, resource person internet of things, BE or BTech in ECE, EEE, EIE, CSE or MSc in electronics, 40 years age limit, 1 vacancy, 22 to 25,000 rupees remuneration. And coming to the resource person information system security, BE, BTech or MSc or MCA in computer science or IT or ECE with 2 years of experience in IT security, infrastructure or strong knowledge in Linux server, administration with security, or BE or BTech or MSc or MCA in computer science or IT, ECE with PG diploma in information security, age limit is 40 years, 1 vacancy, remuneration is 22,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. And next one, resource person robotic process automation, BE or BTech in ECE or IT or CS or EIE, 1 vacancy, 22 to 25,000 rupees per month. And coming to the next one, resource person in software development, essential qualification, BE or BTech or ME or MTech in CS or IT or MSc computer science or IT or MCA, NIELIT B level or higher with at least 1 year of experience in software development using PHP or MySQL and CMS Drupal. Age limit is 40 years, 1 vacancy, 22 to 25,000 rupees per month. Next one, resource person 3D printing additive in manufacturing, BE or BTech in mechanical or production engineering with 2 years experience in 3D printing or additive manufacturing, or BE or BTech mechanical or production with certified in 3D printing, additive manufacturing from a reputed institute, or ME or MTech in CAD or CAM. 40 years age limit, one vacancy, 22 to 25,000 rupees per month. Next one is resource person system and network administration. Essential BSc or BC and computer science or IT electronics with 2 years experience and strong knowledge in Linux server, or BE or BTech or MSc or MCA in computer science or IT or EC with strong knowledge in Linux server. Age limit is 40 years. Remuneration is 20 to 25,000 rupees per month. One vacancy is there. Next, resource person in accounts, commerce graduate from a recognized university with at least 2 years of work experience in finance. Age limit is 40 years, 22 to 25,000 rupees per month. One vacancy is there. Coming to the resource person in the administrative, graduate from a recognized university with 2 years of experience in personal and administration stores and purchase activities in preferably central government institutions. One vacancy is there, 22 to 25,000 rupees per month. And next one, consultant, finance admin, graduate with at least 10 years of work experience in finance and administration in central government office. Age limit is 63 years, one vacancy. Remuneration is 30 to 40,000 rupees per month. Next one is resource person in training coordination, BE or BTech in CSC, ECIT. Good knowledge of English and computer is essential. 5 years of experience in education sector. It is desirable thing. Age limit is 40 years, one vacancy, 35 to 40,000 rupees per month. Next, resource person sponsored projects, BE or BTech in ECE, EEE, CS, IT, EAE or IT or ICE or MSc electronics or IT or CSA. Relevant and desirable experiences, experience in relevant areas. Age limit is 40 years, one vacancy, 20,000 rupees per month. So total 15 different number of designation vacancies are there. So whatever the eligibility you are having, please select that one, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. And candidates fulfilling the above mentioned qualifications, experience, age, etc. may apply through online. Anyhow, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. Okay, and the application form is available from 18th July to 25th July. That means just today only it started. So hurry up guys, only 1 week is there. Okay, and the candidate must upload a self-attested copies of certificates of qualification, age, experience, detailed resume, etc. Passport size photographs on portal. Qualification mentioned above are through regular schemes only, no part-time. Okay, and experience is post-qualification only. So a few more points are given, so you please check down guys. I will provide this link in the description box of this video. And please share this video. To get the more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profiling. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.